In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fade in and fade out effects using CapCut, whether you're working on an iPhone, Android, or computer. Adding these effects can give your videos a professional touch, creating smooth transitions that enhance the overall viewing experience. We'll keep things simple and straightforward, so even if you're new to video editing, you'll be able to follow along and achieve great results. Let's get started by opening a new project in CapCut. Once you're in, select the video clip you want to work with and add it to the timeline. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're comfortable navigating around the timeline for the best experience. Now that you have your video clip in place, it's important to unselect it. This might seem like a small detail, but it ensures that any effects you choose will be applied properly, giving you the desired outcome without any unexpected surprises. With your clip unselected, you're now ready to explore the effects menu. Head over to the effects menu and you'll find a variety of options tailored to enhance your video. Today, our focus is on creating those fade effects, so search specifically for the fade in video effect. Once you locate it, apply it right at the beginning of your clip. This effect allows your video to gradually appear, creating a soft and subtle introduction that can set the tone for what's to come. After applying the fade in effect, you'll have the opportunity to customize the duration to suit your video. Simply swipe to adjust the timing until it feels just right for your specific project. It's all about testing different durations to see what fits the mood and pacing of your video best. Next, we'll create a fade out effect. This is achieved similarly to the fade in. Just repeat the process by selecting the fade out effect. Place it at the end of your clip so your video gently fades to black, offering a smooth and polished conclusion. As with the fade in, you'll want to adjust the duration to ensure it complements the ending of your video seamlessly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to add professional fading effects to your videos using CapCut. These small tweaks can make a big difference, transforming your video into a more engaging and visually appealing piece. I'm so glad you joined me for this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And if you're interested in exploring more video editing tips, consider subscribing to the channel. We're here to help you elevate your editing skills, and we'd love to have you join our community. Happy editing!